congratulations.
Thank you.
Kami, libre din. Kasal kayo, di ba?
Thank you, ate.
But how do you feel na talagang napaka-successful ng taon na to so far? April pa lang, pero my gosh, may movie na kayo. Busy-busy kayo sa mga shows ninyo. May upcoming show ka pa, teleserye, at may sitcom ka pala pag weekend, di ba?
Diba? Trabaho lang ng trabaho kasi nga ikakasal.
Totoo, yes siya ng yes sa lahat. Kaya po, alam nyo na, mag-yes lang si Je, tsaka
Correct.
ako.
Sakto rin yung blessings ni Lord.
Yes.
So, I think it's just, yung trust din namin sa pagkakataon at sa Diyos na everything's gonna happen for a reason. So
Yeah.
yun, sakto din. Especially this movie, first quarter, pagdating namin galing ng bakasyon, Christmas vacation, shoot agad. So I think it's a blessing talaga.
Parang perfect to bago mag-Holy Week.
Yeah.
Bago matawa muna kami, bago kami magnilay-nilay.
Yes, that's true.
Ayan. Pero again, you're gonna talk about yung mga pinagdadaanan ng babae when they get
In a
yung
certain
pinipressure-
age.
Yung
Yeah.
pinipressure sila at binibigyan ng timeline.
Uh-huh.
What do you wanna say about that?
Well, ako honestly, when I was asked if pareho kami ng character ko na si Zuri, medyo, in a way, yung mga naiisip niya, I got to think about it. Siguro when I was 29 or before I turned 30. Pero kasi na-realize ko din, you should not give yourself pressure eh. Mape-pressure ko lang if you're gonna put that in your head. So, if the more na nape-pressure kasi tayo sa mga bagay-bagay, I don't know, sometimes hindi siya dumadating. Sometimes parang it's the universe telling us to, you know what, slow down, take it easy. Parang kapag darating, if it's gonna be blessed to you at that certain time, it's gonna come. So, ako, yun yung difference namin ni Zuri. So, what I am going to tell women my age na nasa 30s na and medyo kinakabahan, ganyan, just take it easy. It's gonna come. It's gonna go to you kung sakali man. And ayun, wag masyadong ma-pressure, I think. Kasi it's the same thing that I'm experiencing right now kung sakali man. Ngayon lang meron kasi si Je. We got to talk about it din kasi when we went to Europe last year. I asked Je kung after ba ng wedding, kailangan ko nang ibigay ko ano yung gusto niya kasi gusto niya na rin magka-baby. Pero meron din kasi si Je na, ikaw, katawan mo yan eh. So, pakinggan mo kung anong gusto ng katawan mo. Kung ready ka na, if i-bless siya sa atin ni Lord, i-bless siya sa atin.
Would you think it's, nasa-intindihan nyo kasi nasa creatives kayo? Kaya si
Yeah.
Je parang nagigets niya na hindi kayo pressure.
Oo, I think it's also one thing. And
Yeah, parang ako, I don't want to start a family with pressure. Parang ganun na lang.
yes,
Same thing.
yeah.
Parang, I mean, kung may pressure na sa paggawa pa lang ng baby,
Oo.
pag pinanganak yun, may pressure pa rin yun. Of course, kasi sinimulan na ng ganun eh. Mahirap manganak eh. Siyempre. May 9 months yan. Bubunuin. You're starting a family. Of course, automatic meron kang you want it to be perfect, but in God's plan, meron naman talagang nakalaan para sa.
Yeah.
Last na lang po. Last na lang for me, kasi speaking of timing,
Yes.
dumating na ba yung time nag-reflect kayo minsan na parang naisip ko na parang ito yung time ko, hindi ko palalagpasin ito. Ay, ganun pa kayo.
Sorry, what do you mean by ito yung time? Oh, sa career.
Parang hindi ko palalagpasin yung timing na ito.
Strike while the iron is hot.
Kami kasi ni Je, hindi namin nile-label every era of our career as Kimolina or Gerald Napoles. Kasi every time may ibibigay sa amin na project, every time may binabless sa amin ni Lord na something na gagawin namin, tinatrato namin siya ng pantay-pantay. So, hinahayaan na lang namin yung universe or like si God kung ito ibibigay na namin, ibubuhos namin, ganyan. Basta kami, as long as pantay-pantay yung effort, I think pantay-pantay din yung ibibigay sa atin. So, hindi ko talaga siya nalilabel. I think na, this is my time. This is, if it makes sense.
Speaking of ito, busy ka sa, yun nga, may sitcom ka, The First Family. Kamusta yung set? Parang ang saya-saya nyo.
Ang saya ng
Parang
set.
nag-trending kayo nung weekend, nakakaloka.
Oo nga eh.
Like, hey,
Kasi
Andres,
kasi pinsan ko si Tasha tsaka si Andres. Nakakatawa, di ba? Tapos tawag ko kala Ate Charlene, tito, tita. So, medyo sobrang good vibes kasi yung set eh. Ay, parang ang una kong ginawa nung nag-taping kami is magpa-picture kay Roderick Paulate, kay Aga Mulak at kay Bayani Agbayani. Dahil hindi ko naisip na makakasama ko sila ng tatlo ng sabay-sabay sa isang araw sa buhay ko. So I think it's all yun yung mga right timing na hindi natin nakikita. In connection to what he's saying is like it's not always blockbuster awards, you know. The right timing eh. Sino mag-imagine na makakasama mo sila
It's
sa
the quality
sitcom?
of what you're doing.
Yeah, exactly. So every moment is the right moment as long it's the way how you see it na lang.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay na. Oo,
Maraming
sorry po.
salamat.
Ano,